creating 3D HST tool paths with a fine step over for a finish pass, you would often set a small tolerance value to refine the surface finish. Sometimes, even with smooth settings on the control, you can still see facets appear. This is because another tolerance setting in the system configuration called curve chordal deviation also is affecting the toolpath tolerance. Curve chordal deviation defines how far away the toolpath fits against the underlying blend curves or seed curves. In Mastercam 2023 and earlier versions, changing the tolerance values within the toolpath does not update the curve chordal deviation value. If a user knows about the value and understands to tighten it, the setting is only applied to the current system configuration. If the file is opened on another computer and the toolpath is regenerated, it will respect the system's default curve chordal deviation if it was not changed. And these toolpaths on the screen mark 2023, they were done in 2023. I can pull the curve away and we can see the curve chordal deviation. And you can see it happening here. So it's touching the curve there and there, but in between it's missing it, and it's creating these sharp corners in the toolpath. Even with a tighter tolerance in 2023, it still gave you very similar results. Doesn't really change much. After these paths were bought into 2024 with the same tolerance, without being calculated in 2024, you can see the curve chordal deviation is still there. If I recalculate this toolpath now in 2024, you can see the difference. Now it's following that curve directly, and you're not getting any type of deviation. If we want to go further with it, we can set a finer tolerance of 1/10, and we can see what this will look like. And you can see that's following the curves exactly, and there is no deviation from that curve. Previously in 2023, the curve chordal deviation was set here, but now it's included inside the toolpath, so that's new in 2024.